Hello friends, today I have come up with the questions that look impossible at first look. If you don't believe me, then try and drop your answer in the comment. So first of all, we are going to solve this question using two steps or two approach. Number one will be we will use assumption and we will get to our solution very easily. Number second, we are going to use pure algebra. And I am sure both method you are going to like it. So let's start. Our question is a raised to the power 3039 plus a raised to the power 2026 equals 36. So after seeing this, first things that comes to our mind is we should take common of a raised to the power 2026. So method 1 assumption. So when we take common a raised to the power 2026, we get a raised to the power 10, 13 and plus 1 equals 36. Now let's assume some value of this a raised to the power 10, 13. So let a power 10, 13 equals root of x. So 2026 is same as 10, 13 times 2. So we get this value as a raised to the power a power 2026 is equal to x. Now so our equation become x times root of x plus 1 is equal to 36. Now we are going to use the factorization as this and this making product of these two number we are getting 36. So one thing is confirmed that this should be integer type of number. So the factor of 36 will be 1 cross 36, 2 cross 18, 3 cross 12, 4 cross 9, 6 cross 6, 9 cross 4, 12 cross 3, 18 cross 2 and 36 cross 1. Now from here we can see that first digit is bigger because on root we will get a smaller digit. So here we can see that our first digit is bigger. So the factors up to here will be neglected because here our first digit is smaller. So we are going to neglect this. So now we are left with only 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 option. Now here as it is root, it must give any something positive integer. Then only multiplying to integer will give integer. So this x must be a perfect square. So from here we cancel out to another option, that is 12 and 18. Now we are left with 36 and 1. Let's try 36. So 36 times anything will be obviously greater than 36. So this is also not our correct answer. So we are only left with this 9 cross 4, and yes, 9 is the perfect square root or perfect square. So it become 9 times root of 9 plus 1 is equal to 36, and yes, this satisfy 9 cross 3 plus 1, which is 9 cross 4, and this give our answer as 36. Hence our value of x is equal to 9. Now we have got the value of x and we get this through our assumption method. No real algebra calculation, we have just assumed. Now we needed to find the value of a. So from here a raised to 1013 is equal to root of x. Root of x is 3. Now taking log both side, we get 10, 13 log a equals log 3 or log a equals log 3 over 1013, or a equals 3 raised to the power 1 over 1013, and this is going to be our answer. So now let's come to our pure algebra approach. Through method 1 we have got the answer. A equals 3 raised to the power 1 over 3 1013. Now let's come to our method 2, and that will be pure algebra. So we are going through the steps of few previous steps that we have taken in our assumption method. So taking a raised to the power 2026 common, we get a raised to the power 1013 plus 1 is equal to 36. Now let's assume, let a raised to the power 1013 is equal to y. Then as we have seen previously, 2026 is equal to 2 times 1013. So this become a power 2026 equals y raised to the power 2. So now our equation, putting this value in, our equation become y square times y plus 1 is equal to 36. Now taking product, so y cube plus y and subtracting 36 from both sides, so we get minus of 36 is equal to 0. So now as we have got cubic equation, so we are going to use root theorem to find the possible roots, and it says that the possible roots will be the factor of c term, which is factor of 36. So all the factor of 36 are plus minus 1, plus minus 2, plus minus 3, plus minus 4, plus minus 6, plus minus 12, plus minus 18, and plus minus 36. Now we are going to test this value one by one. Actually, root theorem limits the number of the values for trial methods. So now here, as we can see, we by taking these two, adding these two, we need positive value so that this can cancel out but this negative value, and we get expression as 0, right side as 0. So when we take negative number, so what happened, that cube of any negative number will always be negative. So and square will be although positive, but this number will be bigger, and this number is also negative. So adding this and this, positive number remains so small, so that's not going to cancel out. So we are going to totally leave the negative numbers. Now let's test for the positive number. So here's, as you can see, that we are taking the cube of numbers and cubes and a square and adding them. So some bigger numbers like this, we cannot take these numbers because this number itself is 36. If we take this cube and a square, then that's going to be the very big numbers, and obviously that's going to be give our positive answer, not 0. Such is the case with this 18 and 12. So these values are not possible, or we have found that these values are not going to satisfy this equation. Now here, let's go one by one from 1 plus 1 plus 2 to plus 3 plus 4 and plus 6. So plus 1 is never going to satisfy. Now when we try y is equal to 2, then we get 2 cube is 8 plus 4, which is equal to 12, and 12 minus 36 is not going to be 0. So now we'll try y is equal to 3. So here our expression become 3 cube plus 3 square minus of 36, and we are checking whether it is equal to 0 or not. So this gives 3 cube, which is 27, plus of 9 and minus 36, and we are checking whether this is going to satisfy our equation or not. And guess what? It's satisfying. Hence, we have got y is equal to 3 as our value. Here, as you can see, we have not assumed anything. We have just used the root theorem, and we have just used simple deduction to neglect these bigger numbers and escape from this hit and trial, long hit and trial. So now we have got the value of y is equal to 3, and we have assumed that a raised to the power 1013 is equal to y. So we get the value of a raised to the power 1013 is equal to y. So taking log both side, 1013 log a is equal to log 3, or log a is equal to log 3 over 1013, and this is same as a equals 3 power 1 over 1013. So you can see our both answer through the assumption method, and for if you go through algebra method, pure algebra, then we have got our answer same. So I think you must have enjoyed this question, and drop your answer in the comment. And would you like to solve this type of problems more? Then let me know. Thanks for watching.